What up, everybody? I'm Coach MeannaDK, and today we are making laundry detergent. Now, I've been using homemade laundry detergent for the better part of a year now, and I love it, but someone else makes it for me. And I figured it was time for me to be a big girl and learn how to do it myself. And I'm taking you on the journey. Y'all ready? Let's go. First thing is, I have some water going here on a pot, about a quart of water. I am going to add some lemon balm and some lemongrass to that. Why am I doing that? I want to scent it. I want to see if I can scent it in a way that doesn't involve any oils. We're going to see what happens. At the end of the day, it's just water. It either is going to scent it or it isn't, and I'm okay either way. I seen on a YouTube channel, this one young lady, she had lemon balm growing in her yard. And I thought that was pretty dope. And clearly I don't have lemon balm growing in my yard, but I figure I can still do it anyway. So I'm going to take the dried lemon balm that I have that I use for tea, boil that, and then strain it. We're going to see what happens. Okay, family, so it's been a couple of hours since I put it on. And now I am going to strain it out, okay? The water smells good. I'm just going to strain this. I knew that was going to happen. I spilled some. I spilled a lot, but I got some. Okay, so I'm going to add the lemon balm water back to the pot along with my Castile soap and stir it up real good. Make sure everything is nice and incorporated. I know that the color may not seem as sightly as you would want it, but so now the next thing I'm going to do is fill my 5-gallon bucket about halfway or a little past halfway, and I'm going to add about a cup of borax and a cup of washing soda. Now this is not Arm & Hammer baking soda, is Arm & Hammer washing soda. You have to make sure that you get the right one, okay? So then you just want to stir it up until everything is nice and dissolved. Your herbal infusion and your Castile soap. Lemon balm water with your Castile soap back into the 5-gallon bucket. After stirring it up, you want to top it off with more hot water. Okay, so now it's full to the top. I'm going to give it one last stir. Just make sure it's really incorporated in there. And the next thing we do is we put a lid on it. And we store it away and we leave it alone until tomorrow. So I'll be back tomorrow afternoon to finish up. Okay, guys, so it's the next day. And I just want to show you how it looks. So you notice you don't see a gang of bubbles, and it's not as thick and, you know, like gelatinous as some of the other ones. And what I'm going to do is, because listen, I'm used to using the thick and gelatinous one. This is my first time using the liquid Castile soap. And what's cool is now you can transfer this to a gallon jug or something like that you can keep near the laundry and keep the rest of this in the garage or somewhere that's out of sight, out of mind until you need it. Now, I don't know about you, but 5 gallons of detergent will last quite a long time. Because again, you're only using a half a cup per thing. But I'm going to get this transferred into a smaller container and we are going to be good to go. So I have it here. I also think it's cool that it does have that lemony scent. The lemon balm actually did do what it was supposed to do. So now I have this here, and it's gonna last quite a while, you know. Have you ever made your own laundry detergent? How did it go? You know, did you try any sort of like herbal infusions in yours? Was it powdery? Did you use the Fells Naphtha or the Zote soap? Both of those are okay as well. But let me know how yours came out and how you like it. And until next time, I'm MeannaDK and I love y'all. I swear I do. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to check me out at Thickness Fitness across all socials and visit my website, thicknessfitness.com. I love y'all. I swear I do.